What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today we are starting out. I was going to use pour 15 on the truck, and when I went to buy, because this had like the cleaner and stuff with it, and when I went to pick up a bigger can of it, one of the guys I used to work with, AutoZone, he works at the paint store now, and he's like, hey, I was talking to him about it, he's like, hey, you should get this stuff here. He said it's really good. It was even actually cheaper because on the Pour 15 you have to put some kind of like a clear coat or something if you don't paint it and UV lights hit it and stuff. So I got this. You don't have to put any clear coat or anything with it. Basically you just paint it over rust. He said they sell a ton of this stuff. I think it was, I don't know, I think it was like $30 or something like that, which that should be enough to do this and you're in. I haven't got the parts or anything for rear end. Probably go this evening and stuff. I did get a late start. It's already 3:30, but we was out here late last night. But we are going, I got the air compressor all. That's what I was waiting on. It's all the air built up, so we're gonna grab that, spray the frame off really good with the air compressor and stuff, and then we're gonna start painting. I've got some gloves. This is like, people will break into your house and steal your gloves and toilet paper nowadays. So this is that good, that private stock. But anyways, we've got a ton of paintbrushes and everything. My buddy did say, he's like, don't shake the can, stir it. He's like, don't shake it, stir it. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't even have a shake can thing anyways, but we're gonna stir it. But we're gonna go ahead and spray the frame off with the air and stuff, get it going. I had the heat on in here pretty good because it was snowing today in West Virginia. Yes, this morning it was blowing pretty good and it was like cold as crap. And I knew it was snowing before I even got up because I looked on Facebook and like 99% of West Virginia was on there posting, it's snowing, so you can always tell what's going on outside before you ever get up. But let's go ahead, spray the frame off and get started. Oh yeah.
"75 years later."
Alright, so I got the can open and stuff, and shake well, or stir. Probably gonna put it in here, clean this out pretty good. Put it here so I don't have to hold the can with me so it doesn't get over everything. But I have to film and hold it because Katie had to go inside because she's pregnant and I can smell the fumes from this, and well, I don't want her to be around anything, you know, that has, you know, toxic fumes or anything like that. So we're going to keep stirring. It says, loosen, closure carefully, container might be under slight pressure. Let's see, stir liquid gently until uniformly mixed. If can has been shaken last overnight. So we haven't shaken or anything. It's been sitting for a good while. So I think I'm probably going to pour it in here. Now we might end up putting a clear coat on this. I don't know just yet. Alright. We got this all over this can, so I'm the world's worst. So I want to go ahead and take this and we're going to start painting it. So let me set up the camera. Hopefully we can get some good angles and we'll be good to go. Alright, well this is going to be our first little paint area here. I'm kind of nervous, but you know, it is what it is. It's got to look better than what it did before. I mean, it has to. Most definitely. We just want to make sure there ain't no runs or anything. I think it takes around 48 hours to dry completely. So all day today, I am going to leave my heater going so we can, it'll be, you know, pretty warm in here and stuff because it's supposed to stay at a certain temperature. Like, I mean, it is chassis saver, so I mean, come on, it can't be too temperamental because I'm putting it on with the paintbrush. Now you can do this with the gun, but this is a whole lot easier for me just to do it like this. Look at that. That's already a world of difference. Whole lot better. Whole lot better. Love it. All right, well, I'm going to continue doing this and yeah. Like at it probably for the last hour or so, probably longer than that, probably about 2 hours. Going to town on it and everything. I was stupid because I should have started at the cab. I started at the end of the frame, so I've got it on me a lot of places. But anyways, I've been trying to get it as good as I can. I am gonna put a second coat on it, so if there's any spots I did miss, I will be going back over it. I got as far as I could up under there and over there. I won't go on out with the frame eventually, but right now I just want to focus on the rear. I got this little piece right here, and then I got under there I got to do, and looks a little spot right there. But I'll let it dry overnight. Tomorrow I won't get to work on it because we're actually going to Katie's mom and dad's for Thanksgiving, so it'll give it plenty of time because I think it's said between like 24 to 40 hour cure, you know, fully. So I'll leave the heat on tonight, and that way if it gets so cold, the heat will kick on and let it do its thing. But it is looking a whole lot better. I am so happy. I mean, just look at before and then after. It's night and day. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to see what it looks like once it's all dry. But of course, I will be putting another coat because I have to get in there and everything. But I will be putting another coat on it because as I said, you can do 2 or 3 coats. It's just a, you know, first coat and then a second coat and third. It can be less thick. So I am putting on there pretty good, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then we should, and of course under here, and we should be good to let dry. This week because it is Thanksgiving, but I wanted to get this so it was sitting, you know, and basically curing and stuff, but we are getting there. The next step will be working on this. I do plan on putting new brakes, everything, new brake lines, everything on it, and of course probably new leaves. I know we're going to do new bushings and stuff, and I might actually powder coat these. I do want to get a powder coating machine and maybe powder coat those because I've got a couple things. The bump stops on the frame, I do want a powder coat. With the bump stop mounts, I do want a powder coat, probably purple or something like that, because I really like that color. But we never know. But I am gonna have to order the powder coat, and I'll probably end up getting a machine either online or at like Harbor Freight. I've never used it, but I've seen some really good reviews on it, so probably end up doing that. Because again, I like doing everything in my shop. But anyways, guys, that is going to do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you are enjoying the vlogs. We are back. Hopefully, as long as it's not super cold outside and I can't get the shop warm. But anyways, guys, this is Ghost, and I will see you in the next one. Woo! America!